What I have here is a 3 feet tall, 8-inch diameter Tesla coil. And this was donated to me by Courtney Sams. And I'm just gonna fire it up for the first time. I just put basically just a winding around the bottom for a primary. It's just 1/4 inch copper. And I just wanna see if I put a simple Slayer exciter circuit on it, if I can get it running. So let me go over here, I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, look at that, it lights up. We're at 11.8 volts right now, so we're not very high. Our oscilloscope reading is 145 kilohertz, so that's not bad. All right, and we're just running on a PMP Slayer exciter here. I do have some problems with some of the windings on this coil. So if you see right here, I have this winding that's sticking out. It's about 1.5 inches out, and it came off one of the winds and untightened somewhere. I have another one here, and we have some breakup at the top. So let's try to turn it up. We are now at 18 volts. Let me move over to this side. Not bad, about 1.5 feet off the coil. Yeah, I bet you we can get it a lot further. Just trying to check the coil since it's the first time running it. If we have anything on fire, no. Not right now, we're a little tight on this side on the bottom, number 1. Okay, let's try to go up a little bit. Okay, we are now at 25 volts. That's still lit right there. Not bad at all. I don't have anything coming out the top yet. The top winding is connected. There's a little bolt on the top up here. I don't know if you can see it, but that's where it's connected. So if it starts on fire, it's there. Let's go ahead and we'll see if we can't turn it up some more. Ooh, we went jagged at 35 volts. Okay, we're gonna turn it back down. So some of the stuff here that's going on is we don't have a real clean run from one to the next. Yeah, we got some stuff to clear up. There's a gap over here. In order to restore this coil, I'm gonna have to cut this, resolder it tight, and then, oh, God, that gave me a volt. Wow. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that. Oh man. I've never been shocked like that with this PNP, ever. Oh. We got some power in this coil. Wow. All right, like I said, we got restoration work to do. We're gonna have to make a better thing here for our primary. I don't like this at all. It's just put together to start it. But we're gonna have to build an enclosure for this, get this, you know, to the correct height on everything, and then we should get a better signal no matter what. I think the best way to do this, like I said, we'll solder that over. We'll lacquer it once again so we can go underneath over here. and basically use the lacquer as a, how do I want to say this, as a glue. And then what we'll do is we'll recoat it with some epoxy, and then I think we'll be all right. But I am happy that it's running. I'm not happy I got shocked the living daylights out of me. That was insane. That's not supposed to happen like that. But that's our first run on our, Tesla coil. I want to thank Courtney Sams for donating this, and we'll have to get to work on it.